didn't think I was going to let you get off that easy, did you? Come on, man. Variable's too simple. So that's why I threw in this other piece of properties. Not like Monopoly properties, okay? Mathematical properties. All right, properties. The first one we have is commutative. That is when it's like a mirror. They flip-flop, okay? 5 times 6 is the same as 6 times 5. Yes, that's right. Oh, look at this one. The next one is associative. When I say associative, I want you to think about who plays with who on the playground. Who associates? Who plays with who? Now here you can see that A and B are playing together in the parentheses with multiplication. A times B. Boom. Those two are playing together, but C's not playing with them. Oh, but wait. When we go to the other side of this, then we say, oh, look. Now B and C are playing together. They're associating, and A is not playing with them. So what do we see? We see the parentheses. The parentheses is saying, hey, I'm associating. I'm playing with this one right now. So when you see those parentheses like that, that should tell you I am talking about the associative property. Okay? Now the next one, distributive. Distributive. Okay? That's the one where we're going to break it. We're going to break it. So the 7, we're going to break into 2 times 5. Okay? Or not 2 times 5. But we're taking the 7 and we're breaking it into 2 and 5. 2 times. Now, who's in the back seat back here? Times 8. So I'm going to say my times 8 over here. All right, there's my times 8. There's my times 8. And that 7's now broke to 2 and to 5. 2 times 8 is 16. Yes. 5 times 8 is 40. Yes. Together is 56. So that's when we're breaking apart that multiplication. Now, I told you before, way back in the day, before they called it hashtag, that's the pound sign, and it stands for a number. So 1 times a number equals that number. So if that was a 7, 1 times 7 would be 7. It's looking in the mirror. It's the identity. The identity of that number. Identity. Well, whoever it sees. All right? 1 times whoever it is. So if it's a 7, it's a 7. If it's a 1042, then it's a 1042. It doesn't matter who it is. It's that person that it's going up against it. So 1 times anything is that. That's right. Anything. Okay? 0 times a number. Not hashtag. Okay? 0 times a number is 0. Because 0, that's that basic thing we learned way back in the past. 0 times anything is 0. So that is called 0. So there's 5 properties. Commutative. Okay? That's when we flip-flop those factors. Flip-flop those factors. Another example. 7 times 8. That's 56. So it could be 8 times 7. All we do is flip-flop those factors. Alright. Associative. Who's going to play with who? Alright. In this case here, A and B are playing together using the parentheses. Alright. And then over here, B and C are now playing together using parentheses. All right, here's distributive. It's the one that gets broken. All right, so distribute. Whoosh-ah! We're going to break that 7. Okay, what made the 7? The 2 and the 5. Who's in the back seat? The back seat is 8. So if 8 is in the back seat, then we're going to say 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 8 is 40. We add that up. 56. Then we have identity, which is 1 times anything. Is that anything? And then we have 0. 0 times anything is 0. There it is. Now I'll leave you alone. Bye. Peace.